I'm now going to demonstrate Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave theory gets its name from Ralph Nelson Elliott and a book he published entitled The Wave Principle. Ralph Nelson Elliott analysed 75 years worth of stock data and came up with a theory that markets traded in repetitive cycles, and if you can identify these cycles or repeating patterns, you can predict where future price is going to be. Now, there are two parts to the theory that I'll be looking at in this video and the next video. The first is the 5-3 wave pattern, and the second is the ABC correction. Elliott wave theory is based on swings that price creates, swings being pushes on trends, and it's also based on these pullbacks, and I'll explain more about this as this video goes on. So let's look at the 5-3 wave pattern. So the Elliott wave theory suggests that when markets trend, they trend in what Elliott would call a 5-3 wave pattern, where price would push, it would pull back, it would push, it would pull back, and would go for one final third push. And these pushes and pullbacks would be numbered: 3 pushes and 2 pullbacks. And these pushes and pullbacks under the Elliott wave theory are referred to as waves. So we have 3 waves on the upside and 2 waves on the downside. The waves that go in favour of the trend are what we would call motive waves, and the waves that go against the trend, or the pullbacks, would be called corrective waves. So on the pound against the dollar, we have this downtrend. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Are 3 motive waves and our 2 corrective waves. So let's have a look at why Elliott wave theory works and how Elliott came up with this theory. So let's look at wave 1. So price was on the upside and suddenly it came on the downside. So this first wave is usually caused by a relatively small number of people that all of a sudden feel that price is due to depreciate or go on the downside, so they start short selling. Now, the reasons why they would do that could be for a variety of reasons. It could be that this is the resistance level, it could be that there was a news event somewhere around here, and it could be a number of other things. But because of the actions of a small number of people, price has depreciated and fallen on the downside. We then get to wave 2. Let's make this a bit clearer. So wave 1, wave 2. At this point, enough people who were in this original wave start to take profits, which obviously causes price to appreciate as they close short positions, and that leads us into wave 3. So what happens at wave 3? When a number of traders and investors would have seen this big move on the downside and were waiting for this corrective wave, were waiting for price to pull back so they could then get on this potential downtrend that they have seen. So this big move has caught the attention of the mass public, and they want to join, and this is where they join, and this is why we had this move. Once again, price pulls back, or we have a corrective wave, which is wave 4, and once again, for the same reason as wave 2, there comes a point where traders will want to take profits, which causes wave 4. We then have wave 5, which is here, and this final wave contains traders who are very late to identify and get on this trend, or perhaps traders who are reopening positions after taking profits, or opening multiple positions as they speculate price will fall further. After this third wave, you'll notice we have this big pullback in the market because our sellers are exhausted. They've come in here, here, and here, and there are no sellers left. And also, because traders use Elliott wave, they know that this third motive wave or third push on the downside could be it. So we have a number of traders taking profits here, and price heavily goes on the upside. One thing to note about Elliott wave theory is generally one of the motive waves is a lot stronger and bigger than the other two, and that these waves are purely the swings in the market and not the smaller pushes and pullbacks. Quite often with Elliott wave theory you get waves within the waves.